Because of the Christmas holiday, today is the first day coronavirus data has been released from DHEC since last Thursday. This afternoon, the agency announced COVID-19 numbers for 6 days. DHEC reports from Friday through today, there were 15,358 new COVID-19 infections in South Carolina, and 63 people died due to COVID-19 during those 6 days in our state. Of those totals, more than 3,000 COVID-19 cases were confirmed across the state today alone. It's a huge increase from just a week ago. Today, the percent positive was more than 20%. Last week, it was around 10. As News 19's Eleanor Tabone reports, doctors say the increase over the holiday weekend is concerning.
Tragically, more than 816,000 people have died of this disease in the United States alone, and with more than 14,500 of these in South Carolina.
Prisma Health infectious disease specialist Dr. Helmut Albrecht says another surge is here.
This is not one hurricane that comes in and after that it's recovery. This is like flying through storms, and whenever it gets turbulence, our recommendations change.
He says there are spikes in the number of breakthrough cases of the Omicron variant.
It's stunning, even for experts, how contagious this variant is.
Healthcare workers say they're seeing emergency rooms fill up. Melanie Matney is the Chief Operating Officer for the South Carolina Hospital Association.
22 of our hospitals across the state are at or over 90% capacity on the inpatient side, and 13 are over 90% capacity on the ICU side.
But they're not just filling up with sick people, and that's causing a further strain on medical personnel.
Patients that aren't really sick are coming into the emergency departments for testing.
Dr. Don Moore is an urgent care physician with Lexington Medical Center.
If they are asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic, we're asking them to go to a testing site and not to an urgent care or the emergency department, which are already overwhelmed with sick patients.
According to DHEC, testing sites are back to normal operating hours after being closed for state holidays. To find a location near you, just look for this story on WLTX.com. In Columbia, Eleanor Tabone, News 19 WLTX.